Traditional marketing has always been the bread and butter of your marketing strategy. With more and more people going online for their shopping needs, you must consider adding a digital strategy to your traditional marketing tactics. This article is about combining traditional and digital marketing strategies for maximum ROI. Before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and as always, please like and subscribe below. I appreciate it very much. How does traditional marketing fit in? As the world becomes increasingly digital, businesses must adapt their marketing strategies to stay ahead of the curve. However, that doesn't mean traditional marketing methods should be abandoned altogether. Combining traditional and digital marketing strategies can be a great way to maximize your ROI. Here's a look at how traditional marketing fits in with a modern digital marketing strategy. Building brand awareness still requires traditional marketing. In the age of social media and internet search engines, it's easy for customers to find information about your business without even looking for it. However, that doesn't mean traditional marketing methods are no longer effective. They can still be beneficial for building brand awareness and reaching new audiences. Traditional marketing can complement your digital efforts. Digital marketing is great for reaching people who are already interested in your products or services. But what about people who don't even know you exist? That's where traditional marketing comes in. Using both digital and traditional methods, you can reach more potential customers than your competitors. You can stand out from the crowd with traditional marketing. With so many online businesses, making your stand out from the rest can be tricky. That's where traditional marketing comes in handy. You can make your business more visible and memorable by using offline methods such as print ads, direct mail, or TV commercials. Traditional marketing can be more personal. In a world where consumers are bombarded with advertising from all sides, it can be hard to get your message across. Traditional marketing methods, such as direct mail or face-to-face interactions, can help create a more personal connection with your audience. Traditional marketing can reach people who don't use the internet. There are still plenty of people who don't use the internet, especially older adults. You'll need to use traditional marketing methods such as print, TV, or radio ads to reach this demographic. Digital marketing has pros and cons, but when combined with traditional marketing strategies, it can be a powerful tool to reach your target audience. The pros: compared to conventional marketing strategies, digital marketing allows you to reach a wider audience. You can track the results of your digital marketing campaigns, so you can see what is working and what isn't. Digital marketing allows you to be more creative in your approach, leading to more innovative ideas and campaigns. You can target specific demographics with digital marketing, so you can make sure your message is reaching the right people. The cons of digital marketing takes time to plan and execute properly, so it's essential to have a clear strategy before you start. Otherwise, you could waste time and money on campaigns that don't work. Not all consumers are online, so you could miss out on potential customers if you only focus on digital marketing methods. There is a lot of competition online, so it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd unless you have a well-executed plan. Digital marketing has been steadily growing, while traditional marketing techniques have remained the same. This has led many businesses to wonder how to use digital and traditional marketing best to maximize the effect. Here are a few tips on how to combine traditional and digital marketing for maximum ROI. Use data from your digital marketing campaigns to inform your traditional marketing efforts. Incorporate digital channels into your traditional marketing mix. For example, use QR codes on print ads, or include links to your website or social media profiles in TV commercials. Ensure your website is optimized for search engine ranking and mobile devices, so potential customers can easily find you online. Use targeted online advertising to reach consumers most likely interested in your product or service. Analyze the results of your campaigns regularly and adjust your strategy accordingly. In this approach, A/B testing can be useful. By following these tips, you can ensure that you are making the most of digital and traditional marketing techniques and maximizing your ROI. There's no question that digital marketing is on the rise, with more and more businesses investing in online advertising and social media campaigns. However, that doesn't mean traditional marketing methods are obsolete. Far from it. A well-rounded marketing strategy should make use of both conventional and digital channels. Here's a look at how you can combine traditional and digital marketing strategies for maximum ROI: direct mail. Despite the rise of online communications, direct mail is still an effective way to reach your target audience. It allows you to deliver a personal message straight to their mailbox, which can be a powerful way to capture attention. With advances in print technology, you can create highly personalized direct mail pieces targeted to specific demographics and interests. To make the most of your direct mail campaigns, include a strong call to action that encourages recipients to visit your website, sign up for your newsletter, or take advantage of a special offer. And don't forget to track your results so you can gauge the effectiveness of your campaign. Print advertising. Like direct mail, print advertising can effectively reach your target audience, especially if you're advertising in a niche publication that caters to their interests. When designing your print ad, keep your brand messaging consistent with what you share online. And as with any other form of marketing, ensure you're tracking your results so you can adjust your strategy as needed. Social media is a powerful marketing tool that can help you reach a wider audience in today's digital world. Social media can help you build relationships with potential and current customers, generate leads, and drive traffic to your website. Additionally, it's a terrific method to continue to be top of mind with your target market. Post interesting and engaging content regularly to make the most of social media. And don't forget to include a call to action that encourages your followers to take action, whether it's visiting your website, signing up for your newsletter, or taking advantage of a special offer. Whether your business goals combining traditional and digital marketing strategies is likely the most effective way to achieve them, by using a mix of old school and new school marketing techniques, you can reach more people, connect with them on a deeper level, and ultimately boost your bottom line. If you're unsure where to start, consider hiring a full-service marketing agency that can help you develop a comprehensive plan that fits your budget and meets your needs. For more information about the best full-service agency that won't break the bank, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.